How to fix the Roblox keep caching in your mobile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Roblox keep crashing in your mobile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Roblox, and from here you have to click on these three dots that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to simply go in the logout and you have to again log in your account. And after again logging into your account, you just have to go back to the home page, and from here you have to select any one of the game and you have to simply click on the play. So now once you are in the play settings, here you have to simply click on this Roblox icon that is in the top left corner, and from here you have to go in the settings. Now from here you have to go in its graphic quality, and here you have to make sure that you decrease the graphic quality because it may fix the Roblox keep crashing. And after that you just have to go back, and if it is still not fixed, there is the last option. You just have to uninstall your Roblox and you have to reinstall it. And this is the only way that you can fix your Roblox mobile keep crashing. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.